Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that invoice status show in repair order form, but using this our app you can easily see. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Repair Invoice Status. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to repairs, go to any orders, do confirm. Click on this create quotation, confirm, create invoice, again to confirm this invoice, and see here the status is posted. Now again go to this repair order, so you can easily see here invoice status display here posted. Now go to this list view and also display in list view. Thank you.